Hello there, you're watching Bizworld. I'm Anita. The government is committed to only implement capital gains tax on unlisted shares at a low rate. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim said this was to better meet the needs of companies and investors.
I would like to give you the government's commitment. First, the tax will only be finalized upon extensive engagement with stakeholders. Second, the tax will not be introduced on listed shares. Third, the disposal of unlisted shares for an approval initial public offering will also not be subject to capital gains tax.
The Prime Minister, who is also Finance Minister, delivered his keynote address at Invest Malaysia 2023. He also said that Securities Commission SC, together with Bursa Malaysia, will introduce the LEAP market transfer framework for companies to migrate from the LEAP market to the ACE market. This is to enable companies to raise capital for growth through the primary market, in line with the growing need for companies to scale their businesses. The government will stop channeling subsidies to certain industries as a way of shifting towards a more sustainable approach. Economy Minister Rafizi Ramli said they will advise and work together with industries on structural reform that could uplift competitiveness in the long run.
Unik kepada industri tertentu, apabila dia ada mengalami kesukaran, dia akan memohon kepada kerajaan untuk beri pertimbangan khusus untuk suntik wang. Kalau biasa, daripada dulu lagi ada kan. Cuma yang kita nak ubah ialah pendekatan itu.
He was speaking to reporters on the sidelines of Invest Malaysia 2023. The government has engaged with several industries and will proceed sector by sector for the betterment of the country. This includes advising industries to opt for alternative measures such as biomass. Malaysia recorded approved investments totaling 264.6 billion ringgit in 2022. This translated to 4,454 projects with 140,370 job opportunities to be created. According to the Malaysian Investment Development Authority, MIDA, the services sector is the major contributor with 154 billion ringgit, followed by an 84.3 billion ringgit boost in the manufacturing sector and 26.3 billion ringgit in the primary sector. Foreign direct investment remained the major contributor to the total approved investments at 61.7%, with China as the largest contributor at close to 34%. Meanwhile, domestic direct investment contributed 38.3% or 101.3 billion ringgit. Moving forward, MIDA said it has a number of promising projects in the works with potential investments totaling 14.6 billion ringgit. Kenanga Research expects the operating environment for the glove sector to remain challenging in subsequent quarters, plagued by massive oversupply and the reluctance of customers to commit to sizable orders and hold substantial stocks. The Malaysian Rubber Glove Manufacturers Association, MAGMA, projected a 12 to 15% growth in global demand for rubber gloves annually from 2023, following an estimated 19% contraction to 399 billion pieces in 2022. It believes the supply-demand equilibrium may return in 6 to 9 months. However, the firm expects the overcapacity situation to persist for at least over the next 2 years. The global demand for gloves continues to rise by 15% per annum, underpinned by rising hygiene awareness. Perodua, its suppliers and dealers were on overdrive in the first 2 months of 2023 as both production and sales recorded double-digit growth. Production grew by 33% to 51,134 units year-on-year, while sales increased to 46,385 vehicles. This was driven by improved efficiency in terms of production, better financing facilities for dealers, and greater communication, both within the ecosystem as well as with its customers. Perodua, however, said there are still ongoing challenges with the supply of semiconductor chips as well as increase in costs. Moving forward, the outlook for the automotive industry is positive, given that the current economic situation remains stable. It added that the current focus is labour stability, especially for automotive suppliers, to ensure that production can be improved. That's all the time we have for Bizworld today. I'm Anita. Thank you for watching and happy International Women's Day.